Hey there, thank you so much for watching today and for all of your great comments. Several people suggested making a video about using an AI vocal to make your own voice just sound better. So that's what today's video is about. I'm going to show you how to do that using Controlla. So let's get started. Go to controlla.xyz, click on Go to the app, and then you can see the front page. Click on Get Started for free, and you'll see this screen pop up. What we want to do today is clone a voice, and for that, you're going to have to get a basic membership. So if you go ahead and click on Clone My Voice, this screen will come up. It will let you upload a vocal sample, and then it will prompt you to pay for a month, okay? So it's $12. I went ahead and created a 10-minute vocal sample of myself so that Controlla has enough audio to figure out how I speak, how I sound, and then make a really good model of it. The better your recording is, the better your results will be. But this site works well with a desktop microphone or a voice memo. Just make a decent recording in a quiet room without a lot of reverb or room noise, and you'll be all set. Controlla suggests using different types of vocal material, like reading some text, singing something slow, singing something fast, rapping, so that it has a lot of variations and can really pick up what your voice can do. I'd also suggest warming your voice up a little bit by practicing what you're going to record before you start recording. Make at least 10 minutes of it and go ahead and upload it to the site. Hit Create Voice. Controlla will make your voice in a couple of hours or less. My demo was 18 minutes, and it took about an hour to get the email saying my clone voice was ready to be used. So let's see how good this clone is. Click on Use Voice and upload a vocal sample. I recorded myself singing my ABCs, and I'm uploading it now. After it uploads, you can adjust the settings, but I've left everything at their defaults. And then I click Swap Vocals. It will use a few credits to generate the sample, and then we can give it a listen. Here's my original. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Okay, not a horrible performance, but my volume is inconsistent. I don't sound confident. So, it's definitely not a professional singer. Let's go ahead and hear the swapped vocal. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. The differences are subtle, so you might have to put headphones on in order to hear them. So the pitch is more consistent, the notes themselves are a more consistent volume, and it still very much sounds like I'm singing it live. Now, I think that would work, but I can level it up by blending it with a voice that Controlla has. That way the technique and recording quality is improved, but it still sounds like my own voice. To make a vocal blend, we'll go back to My Voices, and then we'll click on Blend Voices. You'll be prompted to pick a voice, so I went ahead and listened to some different voices already, and the voice that works best for me is to use Remy, so she's the voice I'm going to blend with. I'm adding about 10% Remy, and then my own voice will be about 90%. So I add my test vocal to the second slot by clicking on My Voice, and then putting 90% in the field, and then I'll go down and tell it to blend the voices. It takes a few minutes to make a blended voice, and then we click on Use Voice, upload the same audio sample that we used before, and then tell it to swap voices. Let's give it a listen. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. So you can hear the difference. It's definitely me singing, but it has some of the characteristics, support, and confidence of Remy's vocal. So let me play my voice clone with no blending and Remy's voice blended with my voice clone at 10% back to back so you can hear the difference. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Okay, so there you have it, folks. You can take your recording, make 10 minutes of audio, upload it, make a clone, and have a vocal that sounds like you, only better. Know that I'm going to go a little further in this experiment in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, hitting the like button, and subscribing and sharing it with your friends. It means a lot to me to be able to do this and share it with you. So thank you again for watching, and have a wonderful day.